Palagi kong sinasabi sa akin na walang short. Ano na yun?
Yeah.
Na I have to be my own person. Sabi sa akin na walang short. Ano na yun?
Yeah.
Na I have to be my own person.
At I'm Kisses na labing Tony. Malungkot ako. Comfort me. Ang arte!
Yes, ano siya, she's a trans woman, of course, and she just wanna ask if you are in favor of joining a trans woman, joining a female pageant like Miss Universe. What's your thoughts about joining a trans woman?
Especially now that we have a lot of viewers, a lot of people need to hear this. I think that, of course, there are Catholic beliefs, and I am from a Catholic family. But also, I found that even if you practice religious beliefs, we do not have the right to make other people feel unsafe. So I think for me that trans women should feel safe to join whatever they decide. Kasi diba, women are multidimensional. So for me, go for it. If it's what you want, go for it. And imagay mo yung being who you are. So I think to all of the viewers right now, we need to have more openness. Even if iba yung beliefs natin, we have to make everybody feel welcome because life is too short and we are existing in this earth for a single amount of time, very small amount of time, and we have to spend it embracing all kinds of people.
Wow.
Alright.
Ipakita mo sa kanila na walang nangyari sa akin, gumanda pa ako. Oh, gumanda pa ako. Oh.
Gumanda pa ako.
Malutuan ni Kisses, nagpakulang pa ng tubig yun, sarap-sarap yun. Ako talaga ako niloloko ni Kuya, no?
Sabi sa'yo, si Kisses, patikin mo nangyari. Ay, hindi ba ako talaga kaya lahat ng tikman niya masarap. Tingnan namin, wala pang lasa. Tingnan natin kung masarap.
Lumasa na yung bawang?
Anong lasa? Sarap.
Lumasa yung bawang?
Teka lang po.
Lumasa yung bawang?
Yun na, sobrang sarap.
Wala pa yung nilalagay. As in.
And she claps.
Salamat. Lasang manok lang. Abang na.
Wala yung lasa.
Sabi niya.
Sarap. Wala naman hindi, walang lasa, pero...
Lasang manok.
Pero parang hindi siya ulam.
Parang natirang yung binabad mo yung
Kisses, did you like the...
Kiss the kisses.
Grabe, as in.
Gano'n parang gawin? Hello guys, this is my sister. Her name is Caitlin. She's so cute. Yung nickname niya is Candy. Sweet din, pareho ko. She's a premature baby. And that time I was 6 years old. 6 months old siya, linabas agad sa womb ng nanay ko. Kasi yung nangyari that time, na-comatose ako. Pregnant yung mommy ko. Na-stress yung mommy ko. And then, nalabas na yung baby. Nung 2 years na andito siya, I was so happy kasi na-experience ko magkaroon ng kapatid. 1 year and 8 months siya kasi maraming komplikasyon. nasa hospital lang siya all the time. Hindi siya pinapalabas kasi marami siyang nade-develop na sakit. So, kailangan namin mag-rent ng room sa hospital.
You look at the girl in the mirror. Tell her everything you want to tell her. Lahat ng gusto mong sabihin sa kanya, sabihin mo.
Kisses, tao ka lang. Alam ko meron kang maraming nararamdaman. Anger, sadness, hatred. Pero, you should accept. You should accept na ang tao maraming nararamdaman. You should accept na hindi ka masamang tao dahil marami kang nararamdaman. You should accept lahat ng sakit na nararamdaman mo at you learn to forgive. You learn to forget and you learn that every day is a new day. Every day is a new day to start a whole new life. Every day is a new day to let go of everything that pulled you down. And today is the day that you rise back up and say to yourself that I can do this. Even if nobody believes in me, I believe in me.
Maraming salamat.
Happy New Year. Kisses.
Oh my gosh!
Housemates, magkakala para sa iyong unang laban.
Di ba't sabi mo, ilong ko ay pango, forma ko ay bano, buhok ko ay palong-palo. Di ba't sabi mo, putis ko'y bayawan, kat sa mukha ko'y queuing ng tigyawan. Lumipas ang ilang taon, humanda kang umangat, pag nakita mo ako ngayon, malapinas ang ganda. Ako'y sabi mo no, ambisyon sa anong masasay, habay na habay, di na ako malay, hindi na ako tsaka-face. Ako'y baby girl, so tired. Nakapana siya. Nagpana si Kisses. Good for you. Good for you. Next year, hindi. Wishing you were here with me tonight. Even when you're gone, I feel you close. You'll always be the one I love the most. I love the most. You're in my heart, on my mind. I'll take your hand and pull it closer to mine. Thought love was dead, but now you're changing my mind. My heart's a stereo, beats for your soul, listen close. Hear my thoughts in every note. Oh, oh. Make me your radio.
Ano dun sa teens, ang nag-stand out talaga si Casey.
Si Kisses, ako din nakita ko si Kisses. Naka-white siya, all white siya. Crop top. Crop top. Grabe naman.
Wow, grabe vibe.
Cause?
I laugh because it's free. And I laugh because it adds more years to my life. And I laugh because life is too short to frown.
Ang lalim nun ah. Nakaka-Miss Universe Day.
Ang ganda ng sagot, di ba? I laugh because it's free.
Ang lalim.
Di ba't sabi mo, ilong ko ay pango, forma ko ay bano, buhok ko ay palong-palo. Di ba't sabi mo, putis ko'y bayawak, kat sa mukha ko'y queuing hindi gawat. Lumipas ang ilang taon, humanda kong umanga, pag nakita mo ako ngayon, malapit na sa ganda.
Your question is, if there's one thing you want the world to know about you, what would it be and why?
If there's one thing in the world that I want people to know about me, that's I'm a miracle baby. And I'm just so proud of that story kasi there's nothing in the world that's more beautiful than being born out of 8 pregnancies. And my mom is so proud of me, and I have a family that really believes in me, and I think that I'm the most blessed person in the world.
Ang galing-galing naman ng ginawa ni Kisses. I'm so proud of you. Is that a castle or is that tanggal-tanggal pa?
Wow! Galing! Wow! Galing!
I'm addicted to it.
Sino ang dapat hulihin? Ang nagnakaw ng tingin o ang nagpatay mali siya?
I believe na ang dapat hulihin ay ang nagnakaw ng tingin. Dahil wag na wag po kayo magnanakaw ng tingin. Kung hindi nyo kayang panindigan. Kaya nga sa sinabi ni Ate Vice, wag magbibigay ng hopy, ng flowers. Kung hopya man palang ibibigay ninyo. Naniniwala po ako na ang dapat hulihin ay ang nagnakaw ng tingin. Dahil ang nagpatay mali siya, ayaw niya lang umasa. And I thank you!
Ready?
This is Delavine here, and today I'm gonna read your assumptions about me. Nakipagsabunutan na sa school or public place. Oh, grabe. Never. Never pa naman. Thankfully. Matakaw ba si Kisses? Sakto lang. Siguro before, grabe. Pero ngayon, sakto na lang. Maganda rin kaya pag walang makeup. Pwede na rin. Nag-uulit ng damit. Yes, especially if favorite ko yung damit. Kailangan nga tinatago na ni Mom. Minsan nga tinatago na ni Mommy yung favorite clothes ko kasi hindi ko talaga titigilan. Naghihilig kapag natutulog. Actually, hindi. Hindi ko alam kung bakit, pero hindi. Palasagot sa parents. Palasagot ba ako, Mommy? Hindi naman. Nag-articulate lang ng thoughts, pero not in a bad way. Nagrebelde sa magulang. Wow! Big word. Hindi pa naman. Namimili din sa sale, of course. Nag-ghost or nang-ghost na rin ba si Kisses? Hindi pa. Mahilig sa chismis. Yeah, especially sa crush ko si Tom Holland. Pero yung ibang chismis, hindi ko type. Madaling ma-in love before, pero ngayon, hindi na masyado. Matangkad ba si Kisses? Check ko nga. Sakto lang. Thank you so much for watching me. Thank you. Palaban ko kasi yung pula. Like, for example, kinakabahan ka, maglalagay ka ng red lipstick and then attack. Seconds lang po talaga. Pwede po mag-mouthwash.
Papayagan kita, pero hindi mo muna maaaring sabihin kahit
Yes po, Kuya. Yes po. Wait lang po, Kuya.
Kailangan ko na ang boto mo.
Is my bangs okay?
Your bangs look like Taylor Swift. Swiftie, I know that.
Oh my gosh, wait lang, library.
Walang ibang sagot kundi mag-alala.
Jesus, magkira din sa lamin.
Saka,
Are you ready?
wait lang po. Yes, Kuya, I'm ready po.
Kalma lang kapatid, sa sarili ay subukan mong makinig. Nag-iinit ka, kailangan mo na ng sa malamig. Sa malamig,
Pa-in. Hindi. This one also, ganyan. Hindi. Yung left, yan. Yan.
So
Gets mo?
titigil?
Magsa-start at titigil din. I'll go.
So kung nasa ano na siya?
Now, let go. Okay, now up.
Pag nagsasalat ka. Oo,
And si Daddy, ito na yung story.
Hello.
Teka lang, hold ka muna. Kaya nga, ma'am. Hold ka muna. Dito. Kabilang side ha. Una.
Ay, sige lang ma'am, okay lang po.
Ano ang isang bagay na hindi alam ng marami tungkol sa iyo? Kaya kong kumain ng lunch or dinner kahit may sabaw pa yan sa sasakyan. Promise, kahit promeno, magaling ako mag-adjust. Lately ko lang yun natutunan, ha?
I sit by myself, talking to the
Muito bem, Rian. Primeiro pedaço.
Vai para uma pessoa muito legal, muito querida, que é
Mamãe.
Antônio!
Ah! Que foi, amor? Ficou emocionado. Que foi, amor? Amor, olha pra mim, a mamãe tá chorando.
You want AI, you want getting pussy, you fucking like AI,
And all the other girls wanna wear expensive things with diamond rings, but I don't wanna be the puppet that you're playing on the string. This queen don't need a king. Oh, I know what you've been told, but this guy right here is gonna rule the world. Yeah, that is what I'm gonna be, because I wanna be. No, I don't wanna sit still, look pretty.
I love Kisses. She's a nice girl. If she wants to become a beauty, then she definitely can. She's blessed with the beauty for it and the mind for it.
Pwede ba mag-Miss World? You want? 100 ka ulit?
Feel like years from now, when you do decide to join Miss World Philippines, you're gonna have a big chance of winning.
We'll work on the Q&A.
So
She has a firm handshake. She has a stance. She has a posture of a beauty queen. She has the gaze of a star.
All it's missing is Miss Universe, and then it's okay.
This is the Philippines.
Kisses na lang po. Ikaw na lang ang babag sa amin. I-join na siya, Tito Boy. Kasi join ka na. Pag-join ka na, mapaturo ka na kay Tito Boy, Q&A.
Pwede na, di ba? Tita Lavinia, pwede na.
Sobrang kayang-kaya mo yan. Kulong ka na. Kisses, if you were to join, anong sasabihin mo?
I want to make something of myself so that my country will be proud of me when I do represent my country.
That's sounding strong.
Yun na yung
Ready siya, Tito Boy.
Koronahan nila yan.
Para sa'yo, Kisses, at 17, I'm right?
Yeah,
you're
I am 17.
Ano yung konsepto mo ng kagandahan? What is beauty for you?
Beauty is someone who knows that she is imperfect.
Lovely.
I think that's
Ulitin nga natin yon. Beauty is someone who knows that she is imperfect.
Yeah.
Sana may oras pa tayong pag-usapan yan. Napakagandang konsept yan.
Beauty is knowing that you're not perfect. Di ba? Galing niya, no? At 17. Ang galing nung bata. Alam mo, somehow, in my mind, she makes me proud. There's so much hope on young people today. Kanina yung sinasabi niya na dapat we should have a relationship with our parents. Yang linya lang yan. I mean, you know, I was taken by this girl. Yes, we should have relationship. Yung mga bagets lalo na. This girl, without saying it, kasi kanina sabi, how badly do you want to win? You know, she just said, I will move with the flow. Diba? And then God will take care of everything. So, but I will not forget that line. Beauty is knowing that you are not perfect. Salamat, Kisses.
Sa totoo po talaga, hindi naman talaga ako beauty queen sa labas ng bahay. Kasi jologs pa ako. Mahirap po kasi kuya, mag-pretend na perfect ka lagi.
Bakit ganun?
It's like I always need to look great, speak well, be perfect for other people kasi that's what people expect me to be. Gusto ko lang na ako, nakaisa-isang anak nila, maging someone naman na pwede nilang ipagmalaki.
Kaya mo yan, Kisses. It's never too late to show who you are.
And I will try my best na buksan po ulit yung heart ko for other people.
That's one of the first steps na kailangan para maipakilala mo ng tama, ng totoo ang sarili mo. At doon, makikita nila ang tunay na kagandahan ni Kisses sa loob at sa labas.
Who are you?
I'm a bad bitch, fuck the bitch. Bitch get slick, I'ma cut the bitch. I'm a bad bitch, suck some dick. Feel like a dangerous something about makes me feel like a dangerous
Now who do you think you are? Bless your soul. You really think you're in control? Well, I think you're crazy.
Bola, 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 bola. Dale ahí, mueve esa nalga solo pa' mí.
Ladies and gentlemen, her.
When marimba
She ain't a Nicki fan, then the bitch deaf dumb. You ain't my son, you my motherfucking stepson.
I don't know what that way look like.